Today, I'm going to try picking a few bunches of grapes from the vine over my front gate. The variety I'm picking is called Jupiter. The Jupiter grapes are small, but they're sweet, aromatic, and taste a bit like bubble gum. Plus, they're seedless, which is one of the reasons this variety is so popular with everyone. They're also easy to care for, resistant to diseases, and very easy to fruit. Let's start by picking the ones that look a bit red-black because once they turn a deep maroon color, they're ripe and have a strong flavor that lingers on the palate. I'm sure if you try this variety, you'll be hooked.